Hey, guys, ezinye izinto zizokuhlekisa. And some of you are still following these people. You have a lady who was saying Traore will not agree to meet with President Jacob Zuma. She even went as far as saying, let us bet, asipejini. Angeke bahlangane. These were the people, she was amongst the people abebati uTraore akavuma ukuhlangana no President Jacob Zuma. The very same lady now is the one who is now reporting about the meeting that Traore abenayo no President Jacob Zuma, to a point that she is even now posting the video and even saying, no, I'll post tomorrow the whole video. But this is the person who was saying, no, Traore akafuna ukuhlangana no Jacob Zuma. Bafethu, I'm telling you, sisazofa ma TikTok, sisazofa bo YouTube, bafethu. And these are the people also who are not even ashamed. These are the people who would not even apologize to some of you who are even following them. They are not even ashamed. They just go. They just, let me go to the TikTok, let me go to the YouTube, let me go. They just a while ago, the person was saying, no, Traore is refusing to meet President Jacob Zuma. The person comes back, is the now also the one reporting the meeting that they said it will not happen. Bafethu, sizofa ma TikTok, bafethu. And that's why South Africans, it is about time nathi sisebenzise imqondo yethu. Asibalandeleni labantu laba, especially masibhorekile, especially when we want something that will entertain us. Because of also, this is one thing that I also now take it as an entertainment. They were saying Traore is saying he won't meet President Jacob Zuma because of his corrupt. Some of them are now even going as far as saying it's AI. Some of them we also know they are now going to go as far as hating President Ibrahim Traore. Because of some of these people, as they are so stupid to a level that they thought Ibrahim Traore is akekho ku level yokuhlangana no President. Bafethu, do you know who President Jacob Zuma is? Like, do you know? Like, wayitso re ke mang? A re bue ka puo ya heso. Wayitso re President Jacob Zuma ke mang? Maybe some of you guys, we don't know, you are upset that even abazali benu, they will never reach his level. Or your boyfriends or your girlfriends will never reach the level of President Jacob. Do you know who President Jacob Zuma is? The truth of the matter, yes, Ibrahim Traore will never make isikhathi sakhe for just anybody. But do you know who President Jacob Zuma is? I know, President Ibrahim Traore, he said no, he can't meet President Zuma, he's corrupt. Some of you are so obsessed about President Jacob Zuma, and we are asking ourselves, some of you who are even following these stupid people, right now in South Africa, just for my last week, there were Lamborghinis that were discovered. You have a Tembisa hospital where people are my patient, I want on my bed. These foolish, stupid people will not speak about things like that. They are so obsessed about what President Jacob Zuma is. They are not even making babies. They have nothing. They are obsessed about somebody that they even called an old man. Someone who even last week he was jumping. They can't even jump. This Bafethu. Yabona uJacob Zuma asazonikakisa, nisazokaka, nisazoqina. I'm telling you, kuzomela niwathenga amathishu ngokuthi nisazokaka, nizoba strong. Enisakubona manje esalilinyane nje. Wabona manje ngabe nisahlanyiswa ukuthi uIbrahim Traore he can make a meeting with President lo kusasekuncane. Esalilinyane letloba strong, letlokaka. You must buy amathishu. Lesatlotia.